Let me start the record. Hello, everyone, and welcome back after a lot of questions. Okay, let's come up again, focus on the very important topic of Linux that is we are covering for our batch 28. Okay, cool. And if I will ask you the question with you itself, what you know about the Linux? Can you please give me a little bit answer? What do you know about the Linux? What is this?
It is more secure than Windows.
Absolutely agree. Comparison is okay. What else?
Open source.
Open source. Chalo. This point is very important for me. Okay. Before going into the Linux, okay. Uh, Before going into the Linux, let me tell you, it's a one of the operating system. Yes or no? It's a variety of operating system. If I will ask this question with you again in a different way, what is operating system? Can you give me the answer? What is operating system? Very simple answer I need.
Which controls them.
Which controls?
Everything.
This is not a very good answer. Haji,
Interact between hardware and computer.
Yes. Okay. Someone has given the answer interface. Give the answer in for everyone, not to one to one. Okay. Haji, mute yourself. Its operating system is a mediator, we can say, or a system software that connect hardware and application. I can prove that. Okay. I am using the operating system Windows. Okay. I have a hardware, CPU, memory, disk, multiple disk, internet. These are the hardware in my machine. Okay. This hardware is using by some application like Google Chrome, Zoom, or these are the applications are there. This hardware, how this hardware are getting used by the application with the help of operating system. Means it's a mediator or it's a system software which will allow or manage the hardware or between the softwares, and it providing a services of the computer programs that is known as operating system. Are you agree with my point for this keyword operating system?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Cool. Okay. It is an operating system is the most important software. I'm again is telling it's a software that runs on a computer, and it manages the computer hardware, memory, CPU, process, everything for the software and the hardware. Means it's a mediator. It's a mediator between hardware and software. Okay. Software is application, hardware is your CPU, memory, and resources. That can be achieved with the help of operating system. Okay, cool. Let's come into the another part. What is Linux? Linux is an open source. Whoever is given that answer is a very good answer. Open source. Can you guys give me the answer? What is open source? I need an answer. My question is, what is open source? Go ahead.
It is a free. Anybody can use it.
Anybody
And
can
free
use.
source.
Okay.
It is free source.
Free story. Okay. Any better answer? What do you mean by open source? Any better answer? Your answer is 70% correct. I need 100% correct answer. Sai, Trash, Suneet.
Hi, Vikas. It's
Hi.
customizable, and you can create your own version.
Kind of 80% answer, but you haven't used the correct keyword. You can download the code or you can customize the code also as per your requirement. Okay. When I'm talking about the open source, I come into this link on the link of GitHub. Okay. Where all the codes are available. Means I'm coming into this place, GitHub, where there is a repo. These are the repo where awesome OS means multiple operating systems are available into this, which you don't know the name also. 9front, AKSOS, ROS. There are lots of operating systems are available, which code is available, and someone has given the answer. You can customize it. Your answer is absolutely correct. Here we have a Linux operating system. Okay, I'm just clicking into this link. You can see here, as soon as I click into this link, I'm into the Linux repo where the code of Linux is available into the github.com. That is a open source code management repo. You can see here, when I'm talking about the open source or community develop open source, the code is available here. You can click here as a non-technical person, download the zip file, and it will get downloaded in your machine. Okay, non-technical person. I will make you a technical person. I will teach you how to download the code in a systematic order. Okay, so that IDE, your software can understand that part. I will teach that. Very first keyword, I use it, open source. The code is available on the GitHub. Second is community develop. Yes, can you give me the answer? What do you mean by community develop? English meaning of this community develop? Azruddin, Sai, give me the answer. What do you mean by community developed? It's not a tough question. Vishu, go ahead. Vishnu.
It's developed by community and they are provide their efforts and their knowledge, and
Correct.
they are updating the version of the OS.
Absolutely agree. Your answer is 99% correct. Okay. Community means there are thousands of people, around 13,000 different people who contribute in writing this code. Where is the 13,000 people? You can click here. All the 13,000 people details will be available here. Which code, when he written, it has been written from the 2006 onwards and right now in the 2022. What code, at what time, which person has written? This is Tivai. Tivai is one of the person. The name is Tikai Ilwan. Okay, he is from this Numerabak country, and he was started writing the code from the 2014 to right now. Also, he is doing 7,244 times he written the new code into the Linux. Okay, that all details transparency is available into the GitHub. When I'm talking about the community, thousands of developers, 13,732 contributors put their effort to develop this operating system. Okay, this code has been written, means this is a code available into the GitHub. This has been written 98% in C language. When I'm talking about Linux, 98% has been written into the C language, 0.8% in assembly language, 0.3% in shell language. Makefile is a 0.2, Python is 0.1, Perl is 0.1. Means in this combination, this code has been written by this 13,000 developers. That is known as community develop. Linux is the open source. Code is available into the market, developed by community operating system for computers, servers, mainframes, mobile devices, embedded devices, and so many other devices as well. Okay, it's supposed almost every computer platform required 64-bit, 32-bit ARM processors. Means Linux can be run on 34, 64-bit or ARM processors as well. Linux has been widely used or supported operating system at this point. Okay. The reason is it's very similar to the Unix. At this point, you don't know Unix, leave it. Okay. Park it for next 10 minutes. You will get the answer what is Unix. Okay. But the design of Linux is very similar to the Unix. Okay. Linux is freely available. Unix is a licensed version provided by the Red Hat company or developed into the 8080 labs. Okay, cool. Here is the link where operating system, all the operating system, multiple varieties of operating system belong to the Linux category are available into this place. Here is the link for the Linux operating system. Okay, cool. Why Linux is very popular? Another interview question. Why Linux is very popular? Can you give me this answer? Yeah, Ajay, Akshita, Jyoti, why Linux is very popular?
Free of cost.
Obviously, it's a freely available into the market. You can download the code or you can run the complete application also freely. Yes, absolutely correct answer.
As per
But
security,
Performance.
yes, second point is performance. Performance wise, Linux is very good. Can you prove that point for me, please? Why the performance of Linux is very good?
we can download easily, like it, well,
This is not
when
related
compared to
this is not
whatever
related
the
to
software,
performance. Go ahead, Shiva. Go ahead. Yes.
It's a
whatever
lightweight.
the software, yeah,
Chalo, let me give the answer. Okay. Someone has given the performance wise.
It requires less memory, so it will have more
Correct,
performance.
correct. The reason is, let assume my hardware, okay, my CPU, which is of 4.29 gigahertz, okay, and it is using 51% or 40% for this software, right? Google Chrome and Chrome, Zoom only two applications are using at this point, and it is consuming this much hardware, right? You can see here memory is 85% used at this point primarily by these two softwares, right? These two softwares are consuming my memory. If I will use the same software in Linux also, 2 GB RAM is more than enough for me. That's the performance part of the Linux. Means you can run the same software, same set of softwares into the Linux with the very less CPU and memory. Are you agree with my point? That is known as performance. Stability. Windows can crash. Linux is crashing is very less as compared to Windows. Linux is secure, very highly secure operating system as compared to Windows. Yes, I agree. Okay. The reason behind is in the Linux, you cannot open any of the exe files. Okay. So the virus or vulnerabilities coming chances is very less. You have to untar it, and as soon as you will in the tar, as soon as you will untar it, it will detect the things if any wrong thing is available into the Linux. Security wise is very good. It's a open source code, is completely available on the internet freely. You can download the operating system, you can download the code, you can customize, or you can use free of cost also. That's why these are the popularity of Linux. Is that okay? Just no.
Yes, sir.
Anyone want to add any other point why Linux is very popular? Feel free, guys. You are getting a platform to speak. You are getting a platform to clear your doubts. Go ahead, please. Anyone want to add any point from the internet? Guys, do the cheating. Give me the answer why Linux is popular apart from this 4.45 points. There can be another reason. Lakshmi, speak
Sir,
some.
it has different flavors.
It had different flavors. Okay, I agree. Yes, these are the different flavors are available into the market. You can choose anything, whatever you want. Ready, acceptable answer. What else? Guys, I need one or two more points. Lakshmi, why you are very quiet? You have to give some answers, please. Shubham, you are
You need
always
to
quiet.
upgrade everything.
No. Jyoti, your answer is not correct. What else? Sai, Azruddin,
We can say that it is very much mobile user friendly.
mobile user friendly. Okay. Simple to use, you want to say?
That's correct.
No, your
It's
answer is
it's
correct.
a cost effective
No, no. I mean to say like
compared
not
to Windows and other OS.
Okay. Cost effective. Chalo. It's already came. It's a completely free. So cost is
no,
not
I
at all
am saying
problem.
that it's like on we can use on mobile devices and embedded devices.
I agree.
That
Yes,
is what I'm
yes,
saying.
that's possible. That's good. Yes, that's a correct answer.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. What else? Any one more point, guys? I need one more point.
It runs on any hardware.
It runs on any hardware. That's okay. Chalo, fine. Okay. That already I given that answer. It can supports multiple hardwares. Yes. Okay. Cool. Cool. Yep. That's
You
why.
get like new software updates like
No,
as
Sunil,
well.
don't edit unnecessary. Please don't edit.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
I'm just using my own thoughts.
Correct. That's okay. But yeah, software update will come from the software companies. Okay. No need to worry. Okay. If it's come for Windows, it came for the Linux, it came for every operating system. Right. Let's take an example. If Google Chrome has been updated, Google has updated the Google Chrome. It will be upgraded for Linux. It can be upgraded for Windows. It can be upgraded for Mac, or it can be upgraded for every flavor, right? Wherever it's required. Yes or no?
That's correct.
Cool. Yeah. Okay. Let's compare Windows and Linux. Windows is the most popular or simple operating system which can be used by any person who knows or who can read or understand the English. Okay. It doesn't require any special training. Okay. Windows, if you know little bit of basics of Windows, you can use it. It required DOS. In our hardware also, we required a DOS to run that application to run the Windows. Okay. Uh, when I'm talking about the Linux is also a most popular version of the Unix operating system. That is correct. Linux is the most popular version of Unix operating system, which is open source. Source code is available and freely available into the market. Okay. And I can say that it is not very easy to understand it. You need a special training because it requires to learn the commands. If you don't know the command, you cannot perform anything on this black screen. This is my Linux machine. Okay. If you don't know the command, you cannot perform anything into this machine. Agree? So it required a basic training of commands. If you know the commands, you can perform any operation. And you can see two websites are running on this simple 2 GB RAM machine. 2 CPU, 2 GB RAM. I'm running a two different website. Agree? One is adventure website, one is a Windows 11. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right? So performance wise is good. Within a 2 GB, I can run two different applications. I'm running it. Okay, cool. And it's required a little bit training for the commands to understand the Linux. Okay, cool. When I'm talking about the comparison between Windows and Linux, Linux is open source, Windows is not open source, not freely available to use it. Okay, you have to purchase a license, then only you can use a Windows. Efficiency, Linux is more efficient operating system as compared to Windows. 2 GB RAM, you can perform a lot of activities in this machine. But when I'm talking about the production environment in your company, guys, can anyone give me the answer in your company? What is the configuration of your Linux machine? If you're working as a support engineer, developer, you may know this answer. Anyone can give this answer to me? No one? Can you guess it? How much will be the server size in terms of CPU and memory? Sunit, go ahead. No one is speaking anything. Go ahead.
Well, I am in my company. I like we are using like a classic laptop where which has a 320 uh,
GB
gigabytes of
storage.
like 320 gigabytes of hard drive, and we have 4 GB of RAM, and we are like using a 32-bit architecture. So
Okay.
yeah.
Sunit, not a good answer. My question is not for the laptop. Okay. You are working, why you are giving the answer? I'm talking about the server. I'm talking about the server, Linux server. This is you given the answer for Windows operating system, laptop.
Uh, Actually, we are not using Linux. That's why
Okay,
I'm
then it's
sorry.
okay. Then you don't know the answer. Leave it. Anyone else into the production? How much is the CPU memory we are going to use into the Linux environment? Guys, for the Linux environment, 16 GB RAM with 16 GB RAM with 8 core processor. Okay, processor CPU is required for the production environment. Okay, means why I'm giving this answer. Flipkart is running with this configuration, Amazon is running with this configuration. Wherever I worked into the multiple MNC, we are creating this hardware for our Linux machine. Okay, is that okay? You got the answer? Because this is one of the technical interview question they may ask you. If you're working as a support engineer working into the Linux, what is your hardware configuration? Yes or no? Anyone want to deny this point?
No, you are correct, Vikas. I agree with you.
Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? Any point? Cool. Good. Okay. Keep this point, remember, because this can be one of your interview question. Okay, cool. Linux is more efficient. When I'm talking about the Windows, we have to take a heavy hardware. Okay, we required a heavy hardware, high GB of RAM, high GB of CPU. When I'm talking about the Linux environment, high hardware is not required. Small hardware, less configuration hardware, but it's a very efficient. So our website will be very smooth. Our application will be very smooth. You can see here, yes, application is working very smoothly. Okay, there is no problem at all. It's not at all slow, right? 2 GB RAM also it's enough, right? Yeah, cool. Let's come into the more part. Okay. Path separation. When I'm talking about the Linux or Windows, in the Linux, the path separation is with the forward slash. Okay. When I'm talking about the Windows, it's a backslash. You will see this in some couple of minutes. Linux is highly secure as compared to Windows. Windows provide the less security as compared to Linux. Means while Linux is using into the production environment, one is efficient, performance wise is good, freely available into the market, and it's a secure. That's why all production environments or all web servers, services, applications are running on a Linux environment, not on Windows. Have you get this answer? Yes or no?
Yes.
Cool. Chalo. Next point. Someone has asked this question. Sir, to practice a Linux, from where we will get it? I have a multiple approaches available. Okay. What all this? You can go to any of the cloud provider, Google Cloud, AWS, Azure. In the Google Cloud, you can go into this link as I already went it here. Okay. In my Google Chrome. Where is that? Yep. I'm going into this project, this bookmark, console.cloud.google.com, and I can go to the Google Cloud homepage. You can create a virtual machine from here, VM, and you can create a virtual machine as we created some couple of minutes back. This machine is already available into this place. You can go to AWS account. Okay, I'm into the AWS account. You can go search the compute and search the EC2 in machine, and you can create a virtual machine into your AWS account as well. Okay, I'm logging into my AWS account, and we can create a machine into our AWS account as well. I will teach you both the places, and we will help you out to create a AWS account or Google Cloud account as well. This is the home page for the AWS account as well. We can click on the launch instance and we can create a machine. Okay, these are the two possible options at this point. You can go to Azure also, choose the virtual machine, and we can create it. Okay, these all are the cloud options available into the market. I'm giving one free of cost option, that is a mobile extreme software. What exactly it is? You can go into this link, mobile extreme. Okay, I'm giving this link to all of you. You can go into this link, mobile extreme home edition, choose the free version. Okay, choose the free version and click on the download. As soon as you will click on the download, two options will come, portable or installation edition. I want you to use the portable edition. As soon as you will click on the portable edition, 28 MB software will get downloaded in your machine. Guys, do it in with me. Okay, do it with me. Mobile Extreme software you have to download in your machine to run the local Linux terminal. And I'm going to show in front of you as well. Who has asked this question? Sir, how to run the Linux? How to practice Linux? Free of cost? Jyoti, you?
Yes, sir.
I thought some boy was there. Who is that?
Sir, I asked.
Yes, Amrit. Yes. Amrit, go into this link. Okay. I'm giving this direct link into the chat box as well.
Yes, sir, I have downloaded that.
You have downloaded it? Already downloaded for you?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Amrit, do you want to share your screen with everyone?
Yes, why not?
Cool. Good. I'm stopping my screen. You can share your screen so that I will run in front of you, front of everyone in your machine itself. Yeah, Amrit. Share your screen. There is the fourth option, share screen and share the full screen. Amrit, be fast little bit. Yep, we are able to see your screen. Yep, cool. You have already downloaded, you have already opened it. Okay, click on the start local terminal. Click, yeah, here is the option in middle, yes. Amrit, this is your office laptop or what exactly it is?
Oh, sir, actually, I'm practicing these things. This is my home laptop.
Okay, home laptop. And there are already multiple machines has been picked from your machine. Okay, just type ls. And this is the local terminal. You can run all the Linux command here itself.
Yes.
Is that easy? Are you aware about this software earlier?
Yeah.
You are aware? Okay, then good. Then you are asking the same question again with me.
No, I was asking cloud alternative.
Okay. Okay. Local software. This is the local software. You can use it free of cost. Okay. Anyone else here who tried it?
I installed, sir.
Jyoti, it will be good if you will share the screen. Amrit, you can stop. Yeah, Jyoti, it will be good. We want to see from the starting. Okay. Because I feel that my students don't know anything. I want to teach everything to them. That's my intention. Yeah, Jyoti, it will be good if you will share a screen. Do you want to? Jyoti, yes or no? Yes. Okay. Jyoti is sharing. Jyoti also reached the same place. Jyoti, type some Linux command. Type some Linux command. Just type some Linux command. Yeah, here. Yes, type. Any guys, give the Linux command to her. ls, cd, whatever you want. Yes, type ls, enter. Yep, enter. Yep, and you are getting the answer. Jyoti, this is the very first time you are seeing this? Jyoti, you are on mute. Unmute yourself first.
Yes, sir. First time.
Cool. Then you are able to reach it. From whatever we will learn today, the Linux command, you can practice into this place. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
I'm taking the skin back. Okay. Guys, it's a very simple software. You just have to mute yourself, please. You just have to download it. I downloaded. Shiva, I muted it. You just have to download it with any of the extractor software. You can extract the software. Okay. It will take just couple of seconds. It will download it. It will be extracted. And as soon as you will open this software here, okay, double click on this, no installation will be required and it will be open like this. You can choose whatever the theme, dark theme or light theme you want to choose it. You can choose it and you can able to see that the software is already running in your machine. Okay. As soon as you want to run any of the local command, Linux command, you can learn from this play. Shiva, I'm muting you. All okay? Yes or no? Cool. Okay. Amrit has asked one more question. Can we get this on a cloud? Amrit, can you ask your question again?
Yes, the question was like, is there any cloud alternative?
Yep. Amrit, better. Can you introduce yourself first? How much is your experience? What you are doing? What you are trying
Okay,
to
my
achieve?
name is Amrit Srivastav. Currently, I am located in Chennai
Okay.
and I am working in NV Solutions Private Limited.
How much year of
Six-
experience you have?
Yeah, currently I have 1 year, 6 month experience.
Okay. And you are learning more into the Linux part, right? And cloud part, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And you are looking for a solution, like you want to run some Linux command into the cloud, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, I have the solution for that also. Okay. Let
Okay.
me tell you. Okay. I'm sharing my sheet again. First, very first solution with the help of cloud provider where we have to create account and then we can use it. Second is mobile stream. We can download a local software and we can perform the activity. Third is a playground where we need a account. We can account free of cost here without credit card, without anything. And it's a playground. You can run any of the Linux command here as well. I'm going just double click here. Okay. I'm going back. Sorry. Okay. I'm just opening the playground here, labs.play.com. I'm going into my browser where I have already have an account. I'm going here. This is the link labs.play with docker.com. Means Docker is providing a playground for us for the learning purpose. I just open this. Okay. Here I'm getting an option start. As soon as I will click start, it will take some couple of seconds and my Linux machine will be ready. You want to see how to create a Linux machine in the easiest way? Just click
Yes,
here.
sir.
Just click here, add new instance. I just click here. Okay. Over the cloud, machine is ready. Now you can try your Linux command here as well. ls pwd, whatever you know the Linux command, you can run here also. This is the playground available for you free of cost. You just have to create an account into this place, labs.play.docker.com. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Can we connect this with our mobile system machine also?
Why you want to don't merge it? It's a cloud, means make it as a cloud directly. They are giving the interface to you. Why you want to
Okay.
connect?
Okay, fine.
If you want to connect, yes, there is a IP address, you can connect it, but it's
Okay.
not required. You are already getting an interface.
Yes.
Cool, good. Guys, I will teach you how to create this account also. Don't need to. Okay. You can use as a playground free of cost on the cloud as well.
So why it's showing the timer?
Timer is available because it's a playground, and for the next 4 hours it will be completely free for you. You can close the session and you can create a new session again and it will be a free of cost again. Means some people, what will happen, they will create a multiple machine and left it, right? But it's a machine, so it will charge for them, so they will create a new account. They will create a new machine every 4 hours for you.
Okay, sir.
Cool. Yes, good. See, it's a very simple. You have to be into the account, add instance, one machine will get added here. Okay. If you want another machine, just click again here, another machine will get created. You want another machine, just click one more time, 3 machines has been created. Right? It's a playground. Yes or no?
Yes.
Cool, good, nice. Okay. So I'm giving a multiple approach where we can learn a Linux. Okay. And this is another approach I will teach you, not now, into the virtual machine class, because this is a big operation. I cannot take in couple of minutes. It's a big operation. With the help of VMware or with the Oracle virtual machine, I will teach into my virtual machine day, that is before Docker start. Okay. In this day, day 30, I will teach that approach. Cool. Guys, any question with this? You are technically good that you will get a machine right away, Linux machine.
Yes, we are good to go.
Cool, good, nice. Okay, let's come into this again. I have one more question. Which is the most popular Linux distribution or operating system available into the market? As the answer says, Ubuntu. Ubuntu is the most popular operating system available into the market at this point. Plus, I feel, or my student or my technical team feels that CentOS is the most popular operating system available into the Yum family. Okay. This is a Debian family, or this is a another family is available, which is a Fedora family. Okay. So we can see there is another flavor, CentOS. I observe Ubuntu is using into personal users most of the time, most popular. In the production environment, CentOS as well as Fedora. Where is the Fedora? Yeah, Fedora and CentOS. These are the most popular operating systems available. So in our training, we are learning Ubuntu plus Fedora plus CentOS, all 3 flavors. Okay, which are the most popular available into the market. Cool. When I'm talking about the distribution of the Linux, it's into the 4 different part. It's into the 4 different part. One is Linux Red Hat, which is a what we can say licensing version. It has been created by the Red Hat community or Red Hat company. Okay. Red Hat Enterprise Edition means every software, every operating system coming into with the Red Hat is a Linux version. They are providing their enterprise solutions, enterprise license, as well as enterprise support if you face any of the problem into the Red Hat Linux. Secondly, another is a Fedora, which I was telling, it is again sponsored by Red Hat, but it's for the commercial use. Next is a Debian, which is completely open source, freely available into the market. You can use Debian flavor open sourcely. You can download from the internet and you can use it. You will not get a support. You will only get a community help. Okay. Means they will not provide a professional support to you if you face any of the problem, but if you can raise the request to their community, they will help you out. It's like that. Others are also some flavors also available, like SUSU, CentOS, Mint are coming into the another flavor. We are going to learn our training. We are going to do our training into the Fedora, Debian, and others. These 3 flavors. Okay. This we can't take it because this is a licensed version. Okay. Cool. Is all okay till now? Digestible?
Yes, sir.
Sai, Sohan, Suneet.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Good. Yeah. Let's come more deeper into it. This is a difference between Linux and Unix. Let's take into the actual classes, not now. Let's come into the actual thing of the Linux. Okay. When I'm talking about the file structure of Linux, okay, you know there is a file structure for our Windows as well. In our C drive, as soon as we will install our operating system, we get some file, some folders like bin, BIOS, Windows, and program file automatically. Yes or no? This 4-5 folders we will get it automatically. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same thing we will get into the Linux as well. Same thing we will get into the Linux as well. That is into the file structure. Okay. Means let's come into the Linux machine. I'm coming into the Linux machine. At this point, it is showing as a tilt. means we are into the home location. I will change the location to the root location, cd/root. cd is a command to change the directory. I am changing a directory to the slash, means I am coming to the root location at this point. As soon as I am coming into the root location means I am coming to the C drive of my Linux. Okay. Means in the Windows, there is a C drive, and in Linux also there is a C drive that is known as root directory. Okay. I came into the root directory. I am typing ls command. You can see here some folders like bin, dev. These folders are available in my Linux Windows machine also. Bin, dev, okay, etc, home, users. Okay, you can see some varieties of folders is available here. User folder is available here. User folder in my Windows machine is also there. Can anyone give me the answer? What is this user folder in my Windows machine?
So it contains the list of all the users.
Correct. Users information, whoever has
Yes,
been logged in
okay.
into my machine, that details is available into this folder. Same is available into the Linux also. This user, if whatever the users has been created, all details will be available into this user folder. Okay. Can anyone help me out? What is this bin location in my Windows, or what is the bin location in Linux? What is the bin location? What is binary? What is binary location? Or what is binary file?
Binary file, we can say, which is in the forms of zeros and ones.
Correct. That in another way, can I say that it can be directly executable?
That's correct.
Right? Directly executable. You don't have to do any installation. Like Mobile Stream. Have we installed Mobile Stream in our laptop? No, we haven't installed. We just downloaded it and we used it and it worked. Right? We downloaded it, we unzipped it, and it's worked for us. Yes or no? Means it's a binary file. It's a direct application. You can use it. If in your Linux machine, anything is directly runnable, you can call as a binary file or executable file or ready to run. You don't have to install it. That type of software you can put into the bin location, or it will go automatically into the bin location of your Linux machine. Correct? Yes, no?
Yes.
Cool. In Windows, we have a temp recycle bin. In Linux, we have a temp location. If you want to perform any of the top temporary operation, we can go into the temp location and we can perform it. Okay. And we have a root user, that is a super user. If you will see this here, okay, at this point, I become a root user, means I am into the super user. I can perform any of the operation like installation, deletion, or any of the access related thing, which I can perform into the Linux with the help of root user. Okay, that can be achieved with the help of command sudo -i. Okay, let me come up out again with the help of exit command exit. I will be out and I will become a Vikas user again. Okay, because I logged out from the root user. If you want to become a root user again, you have to type the sudo -i command, and as soon as you press enter, you will become a root user. Okay, that means I'm super user. I'm changing myself as a root user or a super user with the help of sudo -i command. That thing is available into our Windows as well. We can become a administrator of our machine with the help of admin access. Okay, you can see here, right click cmd, and I am getting an option run as an administrator, means run as a root user. That is available in Windows, that is available in Linux as well. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, cool. This is just a file structure for our Linux machine. Okay, let's come into some basics Linux command, which is our today's agenda. Okay, if I will run the very first command hostname in my Windows machine, can I run this command hostname in my Windows machine? Can anyone help me out? What will happen if I will run this command hostname?
So this will not work.
Who told this will not work? It is working in my Windows machine also. This command prompt is my Windows machine. Guys, we don't know Windows also. That's the problem. We have to learn Windows also. We have to learn Linux as well. Okay. if we will run this command here, most of the commands are working into the Windows as well. It's very similar. We don't know this thing. That's the problem. Okay. As soon as I run the hostname command, get given the output that my machine name is DevOps, and it is coming into my Windows machine. Let me run this command into my Linux machine. Okay. I'm clearing the screen with the help of clear command, CLEAR, enter. Okay. And I will run the command HOSTNAME and I'm pressing enter. As soon as I provided the host name, it giving me the output. What is this output, guys? What is this output? Why I'm getting this Amrudin 25 December? Vishu, you are giving the correct answer. And
That is the virtual machine name.
correct. That's the name which we have created for my machine. Okay, Amrituddin. Okay, we have created it. Yes, you can verify it here. Amrituddin 25 December, we have created some couple of back, and that's the name of my machine. That's why it is giving host name. Second command, hostname -I. I'm pressing enter. As soon as I press enter, I'm getting some number. What is this number?
IP
IP
address.
IP address of my machine. Okay. If you will see the IP address, there are two varieties of IP address, internal and external. What is the difference?
Sir, external is public IP address, which we can connect
External
from.
is a public IP address, correct? And what is internal IP? What is internal IP? Yep. Experienced person, give me the answers.
That is only designated for your particular network.
Correct.
We can-
Yes. What does it
Yeah.
mean? What does it mean? Your answer is correct. Yes. What does it mean?
So we can we can say that when we talk about internal
Can you give a
address
short answer, please?
uh,
Meaningful and short
short,
answer, please.
we can just like for example IP version 4, like
No,
we
leave
can
it.
say that.
Leave it. Leave it. Okay.
It's a local IP address.
Yes.
Kind of correct, but what is the use of internal IP? That's my actual question.
If we are connected to the same network with the same router, so it will
Correct.
be displayed.
Yep, agree.
If
Let assume, I will give example. Let assume I have one machine, I have 2, 3, 4, 5 machines. Okay, multiple machines. If they want to talk with each other, they can connect with the internal IP. They don't have to go to the internet. Simple example answer I will give to you. You have a house. In your house, 4 rooms are there. Okay, and every room can be connected internally with internal gates, right? You don't have to go house outside to their house and then come out, right? So if you will use the external IP, you have to come with the help of internet. If you can use the internal IP, you can go to another room with the internal gate as well. The reason behind of this internal IP is multiple machine. If you want to copy paste something from this machine to this machine, you don't have to go to internet. You can take the help of intranet with the internal IP and you can perform the activity. Is that okay?
yes, sir.
Everyone okay? Haji, you are okay?
Yes.
Sai?
Okay.
Cool. Good. That is the use of 2 IP addresses. Okay. Cool. We will learn into the deep also. No need to worry. The next command is uname. Can anyone give me the answer? What is the use of uname command? As soon as I run the command uname, I get the machine detail that this is a Linux flavor machine. Okay. What is ls command? What is ls command?
List of
List.
List.
files.
Yes, list of files available into this. Whatever the number of files available into the current location. What is my current location? I'm just checking it with the help of command pwd, present working directory. My present working directory is /root. I'm into the /root position. That is my home. And in this, at this point, 2 files are available that I'm getting an answer with the help of ls command. Yes, no.
That's correct.
Cool. Good. What is cd command? I use the command cd. Okay, I never use. What is the use of cd command?
Change directory.
Yes,
Want to move from one directory to a different directory, then we use this command.
Correct.
command.
Let assume at this point I'm into the CD root location. Okay. I want to go into the another location, that is HTML location, HTML. CD, change the directory to HTML, and I press enter. And you can see earlier I was into the root location. Now I'm into the HTML location. Okay. If I will type ls command, I will get the details about my HTML folder, whatever in this folder, whatever the files are available. I'm getting all this into this place. Jyoti has asked if I have to change anything into my website, right? Jyoti, this was your question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let assume you are using this IP address and you are seeing your website at this place, right? With this name, Adventure A World or something like that. Yes or no? Can I do
Yes, sir.
some changes into this website? Guys, do you want to see how to do the changes into this website or any of the website?
We need to go to the page source, view page source.
Correct. We have to go into this location. No, Jyoti, you are giving outside answer. You have to give a technical answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Let assume there is a index.html. This is the index.html file. If you will do some changes into this file, then I can able to see the changes into the internet. Okay. Let me do it. Index.html. I'm just opening this file with the EI editor. Okay. And there are lots of things available into this place. Okay. And I'm doing some changes into the body. Okay. This is the code. Okay. You don't have to worry. Maybe it will be tough for you to see that, but I will show you. Okay. Where is my something like banner? IP sum available. Okay. Let me go to the website. Let me search it a world. Okay. Or adventure. Okay. Slash ADVAN adventure keyword is not available. Okay, no worries. I'm just searching something. Okay, here are the many variants of the passenger loom. Where is that? Where is that written? There are many varieties. 1 second. There are many varieties of passenger is written something here, right? Okay, I'm
Yes.
going into this part. Okay, I'm going into this part. I'm just typing I'm typing I am DOING doing CHANGES in batch 28 STUDENTS. Okay. I just writing, I did some changes in the front of batch 28 is 20. I just did some changes here and I'm removing this part. Okay. Okay. And I'm just saving it. Okay. I just saved this file. Okay. Can we go to the internet and verify some changes happen or not? Guys, can you do it for me? Any changes happen into this place? I'm just refreshing this page. Okay. Adventure, there are many. I think we have to restart the machine as well. Okay.
I have a question. What if the index.html file gets deleted?
This
Then
is
how
the
we can do?
Sunit, if it's deleted, you have to recover it back. Okay. And what is that file? This is the home page of my website. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Chalo, leave that. Okay. Some student will get confused. I will do it in my actual classes. No need to worry. Okay. But my intention of this thing is we can do the changes into that file and it will get replicated into the website. That's the intention. Okay. Cool. Let's come into the another commands as well. Okay. The command is mkdir. In Windows, if I have to create.
So the same paragraph is repeated at every page if you.
Correct. Correct. We have to restart our nginx as well. Okay. To replicate the change. Then only it will work. Cool. What I'm doing it, I'm running the another command that is a, let assume my requirement is I'm coming back. Okay. And at this point, only 2 folders are there. I want to create a new folder. In Windows, it will be very good, very straightforward. Right click and create a folder, right? But in Linux, how we can create it? We have to run the command mkdir command, and I'm creating a folder with the name JYOTI. And I'm pressing enter. As soon as I will press enter, one directory will get created with the name Jyoti. You can see here in my machine, mkdir command make the folder that is known as Jyoti in my machine. Is that okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay. Let's assume you want to delete the file. If you want to delete any of the file, you can delete with the help of rm command. Okay. At this point, I'm not deleting. Let me create a file first. With the help of touch command, touch, touch abc. I want to create a one file, empty file with the command touch. I run the command touch abc ls. You can see one abc file has been created with the command touch. If you want to delete that file, rm is
So
the
what
command.
type of file it is?
It's an empty file. It's a txt file, empty file,
Text file. Okay.
just empty txt file. If you want to remove that file with the help of rm command abc, I will type enter and we can see that this file will get deleted with the help of rm command. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And there is a one more command, history. Okay, history command. As soon as I will press this command, means till now I run the 34 commands in front of you. Whatever the command I have run in the current session, that all details will be get published with the help of history command. So we run at this point 34 commands. Some are repeated, but 34 varieties of commands. We have seen it in some couple of minutes back. Does that make sense? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want you to practice at least this 20 commands, or every day. If you will remember 5 commands, in the next 10 days, 50 commands you will remember and you will be good into the Linux. You will able to perform the activity into the Linux. 5 commands per day you have to remember. Okay. I run the 30 commands, leave it. But 5 commands, if you run for the next 5 days, you will be good into the Linux. In 2022 only, you can say you know the Linux things. And you can say that you are into the technical profile. If someone is completely into the non-technical profile, you don't know anything, in the year 22 in itself, okay? In the year 22 itself, you will be a technical person. That's my responsibility. I will make you. If you will give this next 5 days to me of 2022, you will be a technical person from the non-technical profile. You will be a technical person in the next 5 days itself. Is that good? Have you learned something into the today's session?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Everyone, Akshita, Haji, Mohammad Azruddin, Sai.
And when you talk about the interview point of how many commands are mandatory when they comes in one interview for Linux?
And Sunit, interview will be happen for only 5 commands, right? They will not ask 50 or 100 commands in the interview.
Okay,
Correct?
okay. That's
They
good.
will not say that, okay, I have 5 hours, write 100 commands.
No, sometimes it depends on the company wise. So that's why there
Any
are.
company, Wipro will never ask 100 commands. 5-10 commands is more than enough.
Okay, okay.
Wipro interview will be very simple. Wipro, TCS, Infosys, Wipro's interviews will be very simple. You don't have to worry at all. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. See, your answer, I can say that how many commands will you look at? If you learn 50 commands, it's that more than enough. Okay, 50 commands, you will learn it in next 5 days with me. Or more than 50 commands or 100 commands, I will teach you. Okay. If you want to see the sheet, how many? Around 10 commands are here. 10 commands into this part. 10 system admin related for the operation related activities. 10 commands are here. 10, 15. 10 user access management related commands are here. 10 what we can say keys related commands, keygen related commands are here. Okay. Some shell scripting commands are here. Okay. Vi editor commands, tips and tricks. Permission related things also I am going to teach. Apt yum related operation related activities I am going to teach into the Linux. Some basic utility or tools also I am going to teach into the Linux. Yum apt comparisons. Okay, this type of activities I am going to teach into the Linux session to you guys. Means I can commit that in 2022 from the non-technical profile, you will become a technical person.
Yes, Vikas. I just want to just switch my domain because it's quite late for me. And
Sunit, yes.
yes,
Can we talk one to one? Definitely yes.
sure,
In short
Vikas.
answer, I can say yes, you are already very late. Okay. Yeah. Guys, what I want from you guys, if you are really interested to continue this part, okay, come to our actual batch. Okay. Come to the Cloud DevOps website. Okay. There is a registration for the batch 28. Okay. We are not charging anything at this point. Okay. You are feel free. Come here, come here, register for the actual batch 28 8 a.m. classes. Okay.
And Vikas, do you provide a course completion certificate as well
Yes,
after this
we will
course?
provide. Yes, definitely.
Okay, okay.
Okay, that will be very, very helpful for you. And for Sunit, I can say that you don't require a certificate. You are already working into the Wipro. After learning with me, you can say that from the last 3 years, you are working into this profile. Okay. Now you
Sure,
want to
Vikas.
change. After 3 months, you will say that from the last 3 years, you are working into this part.
Vikas,
Okay.
is there any age criteria for
No,
this?
man, in IT, where is the age criteria?
But most of the people say that age is required. Like,
Sunit, you are going into the very wrong direction. You are wrong into the wrong group as well. Okay.
okay,
In
okay,
IT, there is no age criteria. If you will switch the company, where is the age criteria? No one will ask the age.
okay,
I'm the
okay,
youngest person and I have a 12 years of experience. Right?
okay. Yes, yes, Vikas.
Why you are worried for that? There is no
Yes,
age criteria. 40 years person, 40-year age person. See, now there's virtual interview. Who is asking the age? No one is asking anyone age. Into the
yes.
IT, there is no age criteria. You are not going for the government jobs. Okay.
And Vikas, is it mandatory to go for international certification or it's not
No,
required?
no,
Yes.
knowledge is only required because you will give the interview. If you don't have the knowledge, people will reject you. No one will ask you the certification as well.
Okay, Vikas.
Okay. If you don't have the knowledge, no one will check your certification as well. You
Sure,
need a
Vikas.
knowledge, then only you can show your certificate and you can ask the good package. If you have a knowledge, then only you will show your certificate, then only you will get a good package.
And how can I talk to you one on one? Like,
Uh, you have my website already. In the website, my number is already there.
okay, Vikas. And what is the best time to call you?
Call me after this session completed.
Sure, Vikas, I'll do.
Cool. Yep. Amrit is asking my last name. Yes, Amrit. I will show my LinkedIn profile. No worries. Linkedin. I'm Vikas Ratnawat. Okay. My full name is Vikas Ratnawat. Okay. Yep. Here is I'm the DevOps specialist architect in one of the big MNC. Is that okay? This is only you are looking?
Yes, sir. I already sent connection.
That's good. I will
So
accept it.
because you've been working from 12 years, what challenges have you
I
faced?
face thousands of challenges. I can't say everything in 5 minutes.
Okay, okay.
It's a technical journey. What else? Go ahead, go ahead. I'm maintaining a community of 50,000 members as well. Here is the link. Okay. Community of 50,000 DevOps engineers. Okay. This is, you can see the monitor. 53,000 are here. And this is my community. 53,000 DevOps engineers are into my community. Okay. And people, you can see my name will also come. My name is not coming. You can see chat, pending approvals, all these things, options are there. I am the moderator of this community. Okay. We help DevOps. We will help you to make a DevOps engineer. And 53,000 members are already with us. He will help you out to get a job, not only me. I am a part of community. Okay. You can see my WhatsApp also. I will show you in the WhatsApp. Just some couple of minutes only back. Someone get a certification. Okay. Here is our community. And yeah, you can see here, just yesterday only, someone has passed the Azure certification as well. You can see here, you passed the certification exam and everyone is giving the Congratulations to him.
So because as per your understanding, Azure is more in demand, or DevOps is more like nowadays?
Azure and DevOps, two different things. Your question is wrong. Azure and AWS, if you will ask the question, Azure and Google Cloud, that will be a correct question.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, your question itself is wrong. And I have the answer. See, if you know the driving, you can use any of the car, right? Yes or
That's
no?
correct. Yes,
Which
Srikanth.
car is in demand nowadays? Tata, Maruti, every car is in demand. Okay.
Yes.
If you know the driving, you can drive any of the car. If you don't know the driving, you can't drive any of the single car itself. Yes or no?
Yes.
So Sunit, make a practice, ask the correct question, please. Okay. And see, we have a community, thousands of members are we are maintaining into the WhatsApp, we are maintaining into Facebook. Every time you will see the congratulations, CONGRA, congratulations in my group. You can see, leave that, leave that, leave that. Why? Yeah. Okay. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Okay. Congratulations, getting a job in USA. Leave it, leave it. Batch 27. These are my batch students. Okay. Congratulations. And I was talking about this person only. Okay. Attended 3 interview, got selected for 2 companies. Okay. KPMG and TCS. Wow. Congratulations. It's a very good buddy. What's the profile you got it? He got a senior DevOps engineer. Okay. That is happened on the Tuesday, last 2-3 days back. Okay. In the batch 27 itself, he got the placement. And only congratulations, you can see lot of congratulations everywhere. Okay. Congratulations. Best 26, congratulations, dedication, you achieved it. Okay. Yeah. One of my students, Zishan, has achieved the AWS certification as well. Okay. And I was sharing this. Yes, sure. Really happy for you. Congratulations for your dedication and you have achieved it. This person has messaged me one-to-one as well. See here. He just sent it. I tell post into the group. Okay. Because he belonged to the batch 26. He posted into the batch 26 and people say the congratulations. Right. Every day, every weekend, every day, something I'm getting some good news from my students. Is that enough for you? And you will be a part of the big group. Yes or no?
Yes, Vikas.
Cool. I'm not only one. I can directly help you out. Okay. But if you need a referral, I will help you out. I will put you into the community. You are looking for a job. You can I will put you into the community, or I will make a group, right? Let's assume you join today itself to us. Okay. I will add you into where is my WhatsApp? Yep. I will add you directly into the batch 28 itself, which is on the top for me because it's ping. I will add you into this group, and these members are already your friend. You can directly take the help from right now from today itself, batch 28. Okay. And you can see in my website, where is batch 28? Here is the batch 28 we have started. Batch 28 started. And here is the community. And if you want to be a part of just a demo group, yes, you can feel free to join this group as well. I will add you into this group, everyone. Invite group, copy link. I'm just pasting into the chat group. Yes, feel free to add this demo group, student group as well. Is that okay? Yes, someone has joined. Who is that? 781? Are say something? Who is this? Is I talk with you? Yeah, I talk already with this person from some long back. Sunit. Sunit, you are here? Sunit, you
Yes,
are only,
Vikas.
man. You are asking my number. You are always talking with me.
Just joined.
Sunit, you are asking my number and you are talking with me already, right?
Right. No, no, I am just talking to you right now.
Sunit, this is your number, 781.
That's correct. Yes, yes.
How you are talking with me, right? That's why your messages are here.
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
Sunit, what can I say for you?
Seriously, I don't know like when we spoke earlier, but I have to check the message. Yeah.
Yep, you are a lot of time you are asking with me, right? Lot of things, and I am responding to you as well. Batch
Sure, sure.
28 for yeah,
I'll
right.
check that because
Yep, cool, cool, good. Guys, I feel you are already aware of me, okay? From last couple of years. Is that okay? Yes, no? Yes, please join this demo group. It will be helpful for you if you are not into this. We can communicate easily. Amrit, Haji, Jyoti, Amrudin, Sai, Shiva, Sohan, Sudit, Lakshmi, everyone, please. Lakshmi.
Is it your number, Vikas? 45100
Yes,
last?
obviously. Yes, obviously. Yes.
Because there are two admins I can see in the group.
No. Yeah, two admin. One is from the HR deployment.
Okay, okay, Vikas. Okay.
Yep. Yep. Guys, any question? Anything else?
Fee structure.
Sai fees is 22K for the complete batch. Means you are going to learn all these things with us in 22K. PPT, recording, interview preparation, everything till your placement, we will help you out. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yep. See, you need a training, you need a certificate, you need a job. Yes, we will help you out for everything. Okay. And if you want to know more about my previous placements and all these things, I have created, we have a YouTube video channels. Okay. And you can see here my success stories, my student success story. You can come into the reviews. You can come into this place, watch my all student feedbacks. Okay. Like that in batch 27, this person got job, this batch 25, how the fresher got job into the Paytm, Hipla, non-technical person. After 30 days, how people join, people learn with me. Like that, some more videos are here. You can watch every video. Everywhere you will get a very, very, very positive feedback. Cool. Lakshmi, Vishul, Vishnu, all good? Azruddin, Jyoti.
Yes.
Cool. Guys, that's it for today. Recording of this session, I will upload into the YouTube. Okay. And you will get a mail from my side as well. I have everyone's your email address. I will directly, you will get it for sure. Yes or no? I think in the morning before the session start, you get one mail. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Cool. If one person is getting, means everyone will get it. No worries. And my request, guys, if you really want to join us, there is a link. Come to my website. There is a link. Okay. You can join, you can register for this group as well. Okay. And you will learn a lot for sure. I just put the registration link here. You can join our 8 a.m. batch as well. It's a everyday 8 a.m. IST. Okay.
Vikas, what are the modes of payment you accept?
Any mode, offline, online, online primarily, Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, anything is fine.
Okay, and what about credit cards?
Credit card, you can add money from your Paytm to your, from credit card to your Paytm, and then you can pay.
Okay, okay.
And sir, is it one-time payment or we can
You
pay?
can pay in installment, no worries, man.
Okay.
Everything is fine. I'm very open for everything. No worries. Okay. If you feel that I will pay some half amount now, after 15 days, I will pay the half amount. That is
I
okay.
feel like using credit card because if you like, if you can.
Yep, definitely, Sunit. Yes,
Okay,
you can. Okay. Yep. What else, guys? Any open question? I'm here in front of you to give the answer. Go ahead.
And because if we get any doubts, like when we are in job, then also you support us.
No,
Like
man.
if
No, man. I will not do your office works for sure.
no, I'm not asking about office works. Like when we are stuck in something, we can ask the questions or not. That's what I'm asking.
See, I will never say yes because some student will use me for their office work.
Okay,
Right? You can discuss in a group. I will put you into the WhatsApp group. You can discuss.
Okay.
Right? See, I will add you into the WhatsApp group, right? You can post the question. Someone will definitely help. Or if not, I will be also helped. Okay, no worries. But I will never say directly that I will help you out for your office work. No, I can't do. Yeah, guys, what else?
Yes, sir. I have one question.
Go ahead with your 2 questions.
Okay. My question is like when we use app install, then after you use docker.io.
Correct.
Suppose I want to install some other app, then do I need to get that command from their community website or what?
What you want to install? I'm here. I will help you out.
Suppose I want to install Chrome.
INSTALL. You are installing Chrome into the Linux machine.
Yeah.
What is the use?
If I am using Ubuntu,
In the Ubuntu, sir, where you will open a browser, there is no UI.
No, UI wala mein.
I don't know, man. In the UI, na, so then you can go to the community center and you can download it. It's very simple. This is not a UI, right? This is
Okay,
a
suppose
command.
Java.
Want to install Java? Type Java, apt install Java. If you don't know the command, no worries. It will help you out. Apt install Java. I'm pressing enter.
Okay.
It is saying unable to locate. No worries. Go to the Google. APTINSTALL Java. Press enter. You will get a correct command here. Why is not coming? Apt install Java 8 COMMAND. Okay, you will get it here for sure. Install JDK 8. Here is the command. Default JDK, because in the Java we call it Java Development Kit, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
I will press enter. Yes, Java is getting installed. It's a 767 MB. Press Y, enter. It's done.
Mhm.
You know that if you know the trick, you know how to use the Google, then you are able to achieve it. You don't have to remember each and everything. No.
Yes, because lot of time actually when we don't know, like if I want to install Python.
Buddy, Google is there. Na, apt install Python. You will get the answer.
ठीक है sir.
Correct. Yep. What else, guys?
Sir, how we can uninstall this?
Man, everything you want to learn it right away?
No, only uninstallation.
Okay.
Because I have installed a lot of software, but I don't know how
Here is
to
the
uninstall.
command. Apt get remove and give the package name. This is already in my sheet. I will teach it. No worries. Okay. Apt remove is the command. Remove. You are typing install, right? In type of install, you can type remove and you can give the package name. It will get removed.
Okay.
Cool. Yes. I think my technical interview is happening here. What else? Guys, anything? Sai, Sohan, Sunit, Lakshmi. Lakshmi,
No,
you,
no.
Lakshmi, you never unmuted. Hi, Lakshmi. Ajay, you are also, you never unmuted. Never ask any question. Ajay, at least say yes or no. Hello, hi.
Hi,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, hi. Good. Good. Any question? Okay, no, then guys, thank you for today. Okay, recording will be available in couple of hours. I will request you to join our actual group. You will learn a lot and you will be a part of big community. Okay. And that's really required for you to come into the Cloud and DevOps profile. Is that okay?
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.